Following the cleaning stage, the materials undergo crushing or grinding to break down their structure, enhancing the efficiency of oil extraction. This mechanical breakdown increases the surface area available for solvent interaction in subsequent stages. The crushed material is then processed using either cold pressing or solvent extraction methods. Cold pressing is favored for its ability to preserve, which could alter its composition. In contrast, solvent extraction uses specific chemicals to dissolve the oil from the raw material. Once extracted, the crude oil is filtered to remove solid particles and impurities. Filtration ensures clarity and extends the shelf life of the oil. The filtered oil may also undergo refining processes such as degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. These steps improve the oil's stability, color, and odor, making it suitable for various applications. Finally, the processed oil is stored in controlled environments to maintain its quality until packaging. Throughout this entire process, precise control over temperature, pressure, and chemical interactions is essential to produce high-quality fox oil. Advanced machinery and technology play a pivotal role in optimizing each stage.